This is your beginner core abdominal routine. There are no repeats and you only have 3 exercises. This is endurance focused, so if you need to take a break, that's okay. Join back in when you can. Let's get started with lean back abs. Lean back as far as you can without lying on the floor. Then lift yourself up. If you need to hold onto your legs to help pull yourself forward, that's fine. Oblique crunch to knee lift. Do a crunch, lifting your right elbow toward the opposite knee. Alternate sides. Try to get your elbow as close as you can to your knee. Alternate leg drop. Start with both legs in the air and lower one leg close to the ground, lift it up, and do the other leg. If you want more of a challenge, you can lower your legs out at an angle. If this is too difficult, you can bend your knees.